Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video I am going to share that recently I became a Kaggle Grandmaster under a discussion category. Okay. So when it comes to a Kaggle is a world's largest data science community. It's one of the best platform if you want to explore data science industry like uh, you can explore computations, you can explore the notebooks, or you can explore the recent trends which are happening in a data science industry. So Kaggle is one of the best platform, guys. If you really want to build some of the best data science portfolio. Okay, so like many people do message me in LinkedIn and they keep asking how to become a data scientist and how to do some of the projects what is the first step if I want to become a data scientist and what is Kaggle and how to explore Kaggle, and they do keep asking me such kind of questions like this. So like what I would like to say them is Kaggle is one of the best platform and it's one of the world's largest data science community. Okay, so initially when I started my journey with Kaggle, I started my journey almost some 4 years back. Okay, so if you can go to my Kaggle profile, you can see I started my journey almost 4 years ago. Okay, so the day when I started my journey with Kaggle, guys, I had no clue what is Kaggle and how to explore computations or the data set or the notebooks. I had no clue actually what exactly these things are. Okay, so the for the first 1 or 2 years I was completely blank. Once in a week or once in a month, I used to just log in into the Kaggle website and I would just see what exactly these things are. Okay, so when I started exploring more about data science, most of the people they used to keep uh, posted on the LinkedIn or Twitter or any other social media website. They used to post something I got a Kaggle ranking so much, I participated in one of the Kaggle competition and I got so and so medals and I got so and so ranking in Kaggle. So I was really wondering what exactly these guys are doing and how I can also get those kind of achievements, whether it can be ranking or medals. Okay, so I had no clue at all and there were nobody to guide me what is Kaggle and how to explore the Kaggle. So what I did is uh, again I logged into the Kaggle profile. I started exploring on my own when I started exploring some of the data sets. I downloaded those data set, then I started to explore okay, so this is the section which has some kind of data set and this is the section which has solutions on those data set, and there is also one section it's a discussion section where many people do discuss about some of the ideas or some of the technologies or some of the trends or some of the tips how to crack the data science interview, some of the interview questions and all. Okay, then I got some idea what is Kaggle and all. Then what I did is then even I started to comment some of the notebooks or some of the data sets. Even I started to share some of the stuffs which is related to the data science on Kaggle platform. Okay, so the day when I got my first bronze medal, that day I felt really happy. Then I started exploring more on Kaggle. Okay, so the day you get motivated, the day you get something for which you are doing, it really motivates you, guys. So that was the day I was really motivated. Then I started to explore more and more Kaggle. Then you can see under the discussion category, I have commented more than 1,000 comments, and I do have some kind of more than 600 plus followers. Okay, so that is what I can say you is like, if you want to do something or if you want to achieve something, like initially you will not get any kind of results. Like, so probably what I would like to say is like consistency is what matters. Okay, so when you see here, when it comes to consistency, like you can see like I never stopped cackling. Okay, so here you can see like at least once in a month or once in a 2 weeks or at least once in a 3 weeks or once in a 2 months, I do keep posting something which is related to data science that would really help others. Okay, so when you start commenting on others resources, then you will get some kind of feedback or some kind of idea, like whether you are going on a right track or whether you're doing some kind of mistakes. Okay, so mistakes do happen, guys, but never care for those mistakes. Okay, so just try to improve from your mistakes and you can just come out of your mistakes. Okay, so what I would like to say is like, try to explore the Kaggle. Okay, so there are so many advantages of exploring the Kaggle. Like, see, if you can participate in some of the competitions, okay, and if you get some kind of good ranking, so definitely some of the companies would directly approach you and they would directly ask you for if you would like to join their organization by attending some kind of interview with them. Okay, so even though if you don't apply for that specific company, they will directly approach you based on your Kaggle ranking and also based on your Kaggle profile, like what exactly you're doing in Kaggle. Okay, so what I would like to say is like, just try to explore Kaggle, guys, if you want to come to data science industry. So Kaggle is one of the best platform. So keep exploring the Kaggle. So today you might not understand what exactly the Kaggle is. So one day you would definitely achieve something and you will also get some kind of good ranking in Kaggle. Okay, so you can keep following me on Kaggle for some kind of stuffs which I share on Kaggle platform. Okay, so we can also build some kind of community, data science community, and we can collaborate and we can work together. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye. And I wish you everyone, like whoever wants to become a data science professional, try to explore Kaggle, guys. The way as much as you explore Kaggle, you will really grow fast. Okay. Thank you one and all.